Hi lovely humans, this is a video for you to warm up your wrists before your instrumental practice. This is also very good before you do your sports and just generally something nice to do if you're using your wrists to write, for example, or if you're typing even. This is a very good warm-up exercise. So let's get on with it. Now imagine you're praying and you're holding your wrists right in front of your chest. Now you want to hold your shoulders low and you want to keep your elbows on the same parallel line, keeping the shoulders low. We're keeping the elbows high and we're pushing. So we're pushing with our wrists towards each other, okay? Don't do it too hard and listen to what feels right, okay? So hold it in front of your chest and just push. I'm not twisting to the side or anything like that. Now you just hold it for a few seconds. Now open your eyes, look at me, and now imagine that you're trying to shake off water. Use your shoulder. The most important thing is that you are shaking off your wrists. We use our wrists so much when we play musical instruments. Okay, now imagine these puppets. And we try to move them as fast as possible. These puppets, they just keep going and going and going and going. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to put our puppets on top of our shoulders. Now what we're going to do is we're going to circle, and we circle from elbow. So we don't do this. We're actually circling our upper arms, okay? All right, so we do that first. And we go forwards, then we go backwards a few times. 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to drop our arms down and we're going to do this kind of crazy dance. And if someone saw me now, I'd be in trouble, I think. Now we're going to take our wrists and we're going to make them into fists. And what we're going to do with our fists is we're going to roll them inward. So both of them go inside, and we're not doing it with our arms, we're just doing it with our wrists, okay? And try to make the circles bigger and bigger and bigger. And then we go outwards after about 8 times, okay? And the next thing we're going to do is imagine, so keep your back straight, imagine that your back is right next to the wall, and you put your arms forward in a direct line, and imagine that you've got a hollow circle inside of your chest, okay? So you're trying to hug with your back bent like this, okay? So imagine that there is a big circle inside of you and you're trying to get around of it with your arms, okay? So, 1, 2, 3, go. And we're going 5. And after that, imagine that there is a circle behind your back. And from this position, you go backwards and you open your arms and you open your chest to the sky. Yay! And we go back inside. We're hugging our little circle shape in our chest, and then we open. Very good. Now if you can do this exercise every single time before you start practicing, you're going to be really warmed up in your tendons, which are the joints that hold our muscles together, and also in our ligaments, which hold our bones together and make them move smoothly. Warming up your muscles is very important, but warming up your ligaments and your tendons is just as important. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.